Planner Travel. And now, our travel deals of the week.
Incredible deal alert! Sandals Royal Barbados is offering a butler suite with an ocean view. Rack rates bring this suite down to the price of $5,454. Over a dozen restaurants, a bar in the sky, electric blue water, and much, much more. This is a true travel deal of the week. Travel fall of 2019. Our national flight of the week goes from Charlotte to Denver. At the rate of $174 per person round trip, you can travel August 5th through August 10th of 2019. Our international flight of the week goes from Orlando to Cancun. At the rate of $279 per person round trip, you can travel September 15th through September 21st of 2019. Contact me to pair that flight with the perfect destination. If you'd like your destination to be flight of the week, comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends you'd like to take with you. Email me at robert@myparadiseplanner.com to book this and receive free travel planning assistance.